Hi, in this video we'll be talking about slice assignment. It works with lists, which are mutable. We'll also learn how to use slice assignment to mimic some of the most used list methods. This is not something that is crucial for mastering Python, but take it rather as an exercise. Normally, you'd use the methods. That's what they are for. Lists are sequences, like tuples or strings, which means their elements are ordered and indexed. All sequences can be sliced. If we slice a string, we obtain a substring. If we slice a list, we obtain a sublist. If you don't know how slicing works, I have a video about slicing strings. Slicing lists works in a similar way, so feel free to watch it. I also have a video about string indices. The idea of indices is the same for all sequences, so if you want, you can give it a watch too. And now back to our main topic. First of all, what is slice assignment? Well, slice assignment doesn't work with strings or tuples because they are immutable, but it works with lists. Lists can be changed in place by assigning one or more elements to a slice. In other words, the whole slice is replaced by new elements. The number of the elements may be equal to or different than the number of the elements in the slice. Here are some examples. So first, let's define a list. It's a simple list of numbers. And now let's assign 4 items to 4 elements in the list. So we can use a slice like so. From index 2 to index 5, just to remind you, this index is inclusive and this is non-inclusive. So the last index that is taken into consideration here is 5. From 2 to 6 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These indices. Fine. Now this equals, here we have a list, A, B, C, D. So we have 4 elements here, and we want to assign these 4 elements to these 4 elements in the list. And now let's print our list. And here we have it. As you can see, these 4 elements are now replaced by the elements that were assigned to them. Now let's reset our list. And now we want to assign 1 item to 4 items in the slice. So list from 2 to 5 equals A. And now our list is here. So these 4 elements have been replaced by this single element. So we have 4 elements in the slice and just 1 item assigned. Fine, and how about the other way around? Like for example assigning 8 items to 4 items in the slice. Let's try it out. First, let's reset our list. And now, let's do something like this. From 2 to 6 again, actually to 5, equals. Here, we'll try to assign 8 elements. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, enter. Let's print our list. As you can see, no problem here either. So we have these 8 elements assigned to these 4 elements. Well, this is more or less it as far as slice assignment is concerned, but here's something for you to practice. Although in a real-life scenario we'd use list methods to append, insert or delete list items, let's see how this can be done with slice assignment. Let's start with appending. To append an item is the same as to insert it at the end. Have a look. First, let's use the method. Here's our list, reset. And now we can append an element like so. Append, for example, A. And here's our list. This element has been appended. And now let's do the same using slice assignment. So here's our original list again. Now, and here the index is the length of our list. This is the start index to the end. And this is actually an empty slice at the end. And to this slice we can assign an element like so. Let's print our list, and it works the same. And now let's insert an item at the beginning. So again, here's our list. And now first let's use a method. So lst insert at index 0 the following element A. And here's our list. As you can see, the element has been inserted at position 0. And now how about using slice assignment to achieve the same? So our list again, and now we can use the following slice. lst from the beginning to before the index 0, which means an empty slice at the beginning, equals A. And our list is just like above. This element has been inserted at the beginning of the list. How about inserting an item at index 4, so after the number 4? First, let's reset our list, okay? And now let's use the insert method first. lst insert at index 4 the following element. And here's our list. As you can see, this element has been inserted over here at index 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now how to achieve the same using slice assignment? Let's reset our list. And we can use the following slice. Start index 4, past index 4. This is an empty slice inside the list, equals A. And here's our list. So A has been inserted where we wanted it to be inserted, over here. Inserting multiple elements at the end, at the beginning and in the middle is just as simple. Here's how we can insert 3 items at the beginning using slice assignment. So let's reset our list again, and this is what we want to do. So here we have an empty slice at the beginning, and we want to assign the following elements to this slice: A, B, C. Let's print our list, and here we have it. These 3 elements have been inserted at the beginning. Finally, how can you delete an item? You just need to assign an empty list to a slice. Suppose you want to delete the element at index 3, which is the number 4. Here's our list again. We want to delete this item, element 4 at index 0, 1, 2, 3. First, let's use the del statement. So, it's very easy. Del lst at index 3, enter, and our list doesn't contain this element anymore. We can also use the pop method. So let's reset our list, and here's how we can use the pop method. lst pop element at index 3. Fine. This method removes and also returns the element. So here the element has been returned, and now let's print our list. As we can see, it has also been removed. It should be over here, it's gone. We can also use the remove method. The remove method uses the element to remove instead of the index. So let's reset our list, and we can use the remove method like so. lst remove, and now here it's not the index, it's the element 4. So element 4, which is here, has been removed, and now the list looks like so. As you can see, it's not here. Fine, and how can we achieve the same thing using slice assignment? Well, let's reset our list again. And now we can use the following slice. lst from 3 to 3. Well, this is the past index, which is not included in the slice. So it's actually from 3 to 3, which is the element exactly at index 3. And this equals, and here we can assign an empty list. Enter, let's print our list. As you can see, this element is gone. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.